Hi, Kevin Murphy here. I'm here with Kate Reid, Colour Me Design Director, and we're going to talk to you about Colour Me's latest product, Ultimate Lightener. Ultimate Lightener offers up to 9 levels of lift with built-in bond protection, so it's perfect for those darker shades or for those people who want to go lighter.
As a colourist, I want to achieve tones from the darkest of black to the most platinum blondes, and also be able to break through artificial colour and build up without leaving red or orange in the hair. I love the way that Ultimate Lightener offers maximum lightening with a clean and extremely even result. Today we're excited to show you how it works on our model B. B has a starting depth of a 3, and today I'm going to lighten her up globally to achieve a clean blonde without refining her hair, just by utilising Ultimate Lightener. I've mixed Ultimate Lightener with our Cream Activator 20 volume, our 6%, and I've whisked it to a smooth consistency. So now I'm ready to start applying at the darkest area first.
The Ultimate Lightener has been formulated with high-performance naturally derived ingredients such as hydrolyzed rice proteins, sugar, and black cumin seeds.
Ultimate Lightener has a development time of up to 90 minutes, depending on how many levels of lightening you would like to achieve. For clients like B, normally it would take 2 applications to go from very dark to the cleanest blonde. But today, watch how easy it is in just 1 application when working to create maximum lightening results. Today, I've developed the hair for 60 minutes. Now, finishing the hair using our Colour Me finishing regimen, which includes Restore and Staying Alive.
So here is B's final untoned result, a clean, beautiful blonde.
Please check out our new toners clip to see our transformation on B's hair into a beautiful, cool lavender shade.